Question number 9 from STP Mathematics 3A. In this question, we need to find y, z, and x. But if you observe, these two angles stand on the same arc, so it means they are equal. So x equals 30. So total angles in a triangle add up to 180. So 180 minus these two angles, you will find the angle y. So 180 minus 92 minus 30, 58. So angle y equal 58 degree. Now angle z, angles on a straight line add up to 180. Or remote angle method, this angle must be equal the opposite, the addition of these two angles. So z, the exterior, which is opposite of the interior two angles, if we add them, it will be the same. Or angles on a straight line add up to 180. So 180 minus 92, 88 degree. Or if you add these two angles, it would be 88 also. So remote angle property, we can use remote angle property. Question number 10, we need to find CED. If you observe, these two angles stand on the same segment or the arc. Same segment or the arc. They're standing on the same segment or the arc. So angle 25 equal angle C. So angle C is 25 also. Now these two are parallel lines. These two parallel lines. So this is the transversal line. According to transversal line and parallel lines rule, so these two angles are alternate angles. So 24. So D equals C. C equal 24. So D equal also 25 and D also 25. Again, the remote angle method. So the exterior angle must be equal the opposite of interior angle in a triangle. If you add these two angles, it would be 50. So angle E equal 50 degree. Question number 11. The opposite interior angle in a cyclic quadrilateral. So this is cyclic quadrilateral. So opposite interior angles add up to 180. So 180 minus this angle, you will find this missing angle. So 180 minus 64 give you 116. So this angle is 116 degree. We need to find I. If you observe, this is these two sides are equal. It means their base angle must be equal. So it is isosceles triangle. So 160, the total angles in a triangle add up to 180. So 160, 16 minus from 180, you will find these two angles. Because they are equal, so divide by 2. So 180 minus 116, which is 64, divided by 2, which becomes 32. So angle I equal 32 degree. Question number 12. Again, in a cyclic quadrilateral, the total angles, the opposite angles are equal, but we don't have M and N value. So if I observe these two lines are parallel lines. According to these two lines, they are add up to 180 because they are supplementary. If they are supplementary, So they must be add up to 180. So if I minus this from 180, it would be the angle L. So 180 minus 54, I have 126. So this angle is 126 degree. Now we had the rule, the center angle is twice the angle on the circumference. So M is half of this angle. If I divide this angle by 2, I can get the angle M. So 126 divided by 2, it will be 63. So M is 63 degree. In a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles add up to 180. So M plus N must be 180. So we found M equals 63. So what about N? So 180 minus 63, you will find the answer, which is 117 degree. So M equals 63, L equal 126 degree, N equal 117. Question number 13. In question 13, this angle, because it's a semicircle angle, so it would be 180. If this is 90, but we don't have the value x and u, so we need to find here x, u, v and w. If you look at here, these two sides are equal because they center to the circumference, so they are the radius, they are equal, so it means their base angle must be equal. So this is 34 because they are equal. Now as we know, this is the semicircle triangle, and it makes a right angle on the circumference. So this complete angle is 90, but we found u equals 34. So 90 minus 34, you will find the x, which is 56. Now from center to the circumference, these two lengths are equal. So it means their base angle must be equal. So if this is 56, it must be 56. And we know that total angles in a triangle add up to 180. So 180 minus these two angles, you will find angle V. So 180 minus 2 times 56, which is 68. So angle V equal 68 degree. Or if you observe these two angles, or the interior opposite angle of the exterior, so this is also the remote angles property. So this angle, exterior angle, must be equal sum of interior opposite angles. So 34 plus 34 give you 68. So it is 68. Question number 14. We need to find M, N and L and K also. Again, these two lines are equal. It means the base angle must be equal. So K equals 62 degree. In a triangle, total add up to 180. 180 minus these two angles. 180 minus these two angles. 56. So it is 56. Now in a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles add up to 180. So 180 minus 56, which is 124. So M equal 124 degree. Now if you observe, this is the triangle. So total angles in a triangle add up to 180. So 180 minus these two angles, you will find N. So 180 minus 40 minus 124, what we found here, 124, which is 16. So angle N is 16 degree, is 16 degree.